Buddy, good evening, everybody. Today we gotta destroy the washing machine here, and down there is the part that my dad destroyed the wires from. So I thought we'd take a look at this. The cartridge is like the battery box in BattleBox Tombstone. As the carnage continues, I keep delivering the great hits. They're in a piece. My dad helped me cut the wires. And there you go. You have the battery box. I don't know what the heck this black thing is. Well, I think that's going to do it. This thing is now considered useless. I don't know what that white bulb thing is, but that's funny. Pieces are going to be everywhere. Let me get some pliers and cut this thing out. Okay, I got some pliers, and now we're just going to cut this. Okay, so I managed to cut the wires, so just throw that over there for now. I think I kind of scratched my finger. But anyway, let's get back to the destruction. This is actually a golf club that has the end cut off as a fire poker. I use a fire poker for a lot of destruction videos. That's what I've used in my past videos. Stupid white box. We're gonna go to the white box later, but for now, I'm pretty sure that was loud enough to you. But anyway, hold on a minute. Now we're going to be destroying the agitator. The agitator doesn't really have that much of a use. Well, they're on a doorknob. That's where I put my doorknobs. Or should I say, that's where I broke it. They're the whole agitator. I believe I just... Stupid agitator. Everything's a piece of trash. Bye-bye. For all of you viewers who thought the washing machine was on, fortunately, it is unplugged. Oh, and by the way, Dad also helped me cut the cord. And the hose is all fixed out. And this is, for some reason, leaking. Hopefully we can get that jammed one day sooner or later. Oh, bloodstain! I like it. Bloodstain on the thing, huh? You thought a bloodstain on the fire thing, you may ask. You think I murder people? I'm only 9 years old. Link in the description for this episode if you haven't heard it. I think I broke that. Oh, and by the way, the black part is where I removed the thingy thing. The thing got all up at my face. And so we're going to finish off this episode by destroying these top-rate electronics. Tell me in the comments if I'm more popular than Smash Things 1. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for future updates. One day I might do a face reveal when I'm old enough. I'm only 9 years old. I told you already that. So this thing looks like it's had enough. This tan shaky thing. Okay, I thought I could do a solo, but can't during filming. My mom told me to only destroy the sides, but I've gotten way too far. I think I've destroyed. There goes the capacitor. I hope you liked this video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Please comment because I like comments. Well, there goes the dumb old capacitor. This thing just fell apart. Stupid capacitor. That thing is stupid. Just click the bell icon for future updates. Noise. Come on. Yeet. This washing machine won't work after all I've done to it. I've destroyed vacuum cleaners before, and yet I have still yet to be one of my future videos. I also destroyed, but I didn't get it. I didn't film it. I filmed it, but I erased it. I destroyed Bissell Compact vacuum cleaner. Bissell Power Force Compact, or whatever you want to call it. Bissell Small Helix. Bissell Mini Helix, maybe. And now this whole thing just sorry about my bad camera angle. There. Stupid capacitors. Well, if it isn't the battery box. Nice to meet your doom, huh? This is probably one of my longest videos yet, and yet I've made a whole lot of destruction. Yeah. That was probably ear splitting. My dog is barking. Try to break this agitator. This might fly up at me. Okay. I don't think that was expected. Clog. This thing don't want to break. Anyways, people, I've got to go. It's getting late outside, and I think my phone's all out of storage. Sorry if I had my back camera angle, but now I'm going into fire. I've had a lot of fun with you, but I've gotta get inside to eat some dinner. Comment, like, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for future updates. And see you later.